If you don't want to deal with the large crowds, come down to Dollywood through the week on a weekday, and that way there are a lot fewer people here. It's a great place. If you've never been here, I highly suggest that you come down and visit.
True. Anything you want, I can surely do. You want the moon above, behind the darkest stars, and you won't find love at the crossroads bar. I like smoky lights and a lonesome song, and I won't do you right if I can do you wrong. You want the moon above, behind the darkest stars, and you won't find love. Leave your love at home with your loving wife. You're better off than you think you are, and you won't find love at the crossroad bar.
Walking through the country fair area, there are rides for very small kids all the way up to adult sizes, and we're getting ready to ride the teacups and then the elephants. How many theme parks do you know about that actually have a Sunday morning church service here in the church located right at the park itself? Not many. This is a very great idea. Wish more parks out there would do it.
When I was young, Father drank to kill the pain. But when my father left this world, I sadly did the same. I've lived a life of trouble here, so when my time is old, I don't want to miss my chance to see the golden shore. When I close my eyes to death and sink beneath the sand, to the coins upon my eyes to pay the very man. Trouble here, I feel a hope is gone. So when I close my eyes to death and sink beneath the sand, 2 coins upon my eyes to pay the ferryman.